Alright guys, welcome to another tutorial from Classic Games United, right? And today's video, I'm just gonna be showing you how to host your own MTA GTA SA multiplayer server for free. So MTA is a San Andreas multiplayer mod. Many people say you have to rent a server and pay for a server, but that is not true. That is all lies. You could actually host your own server, right? So what you wanna do, just right click on the MTA. Alright, go into file location, go to server, go to mods, that match, and you will be looking at local and master, right? So in here, just put your server name. Alright, put your server name. Simple guys, I don't have to show you everything. Put your server name, and then you could put your Discord server. Alright, and yeah, make sure you set these ports. Alright, you have to set some ports that will be required. You understand? I already set up my ports already. Alright. Let's know, guys. Alright. So that's basically everything that you need to do, guys. Right? Alright. Alright. So let's go to going to show you all the ports. Alright. Of course I have to block out this because I don't want anybody seeing. Yeah, so I'll block this out after, but you will just go to here and make sure you have your ports set up. Alright, these are the ports that you'll need. TCP 22005. You'll need these ports to host the game online, right? So once just read through here and just set up your stuff. You understand? So here's the resources and stuff. Alright, so they set up the resources and stuff. Yeah, plays the default free mode game mode. Alright, so let's read through here and make sure you set everything right. It's very easy, guys. Alright, but the main focus is here. Just enter in your name for the server and stuff. Alright, and then you could go back to the master server here and do the same thing as you can see. Alright, set your Discord server and you could put your email and stuff. Alright, and just read through here. Just read through here, guys. So for now this is the simplest way, right? You understand? You can set your game mode and stuff. But for now, we just leave it as play for now. The purpose of this tutorial is just to show you how to host your own server, so you and your friends could play online. Alright, so you don't need all of that. So once you finish with that, you go to here and you click the server exe into startup. And as you can see, that is my IP here, and that is the same IP that you all saw with the I showed you all with the port forwarding on my internet modem. Alright, so what you do now, start up the MTA. If you're modded your GTA game, then just ignore this, press no, and start the game. And I will show you. Okay, go to server browser, and this is your server right here. See here, and go to internet. Or what you could do if you're not seeing your server here, right? If you're not seeing your server here, right? Then this is what you could do. This is what you could do, guys, right? I will show you. So here, nine. Just type in my IP. Alright, copy your IP. Copy your IP. Alright, open up MTA. Click no. As you can see, you could enter the game from there, and this is the server here. See this server here. So this is my server that I hosted, and you could just disconnect it back, server browser, and just search. I don't know what this today it was showing up here. Let's know. It's showing up on local, but early on it was showing up on the just now. That means the port is giving problems. But you could today it was showing up on the internet. I don't know why it's not showing up now, but you could just still use the IP and then join the server. All right, it's showing a different IP here. It's supposed to be showing the internet, because when you go back to here, I will show you. Alright, so that means the port is giving problems, the port forwarding. Because if you go to here, you will see the IP here. This is the IP here. Alright, this is the IP here. Okay, so this is basically how you host your server, guys. Right, just make sure and check your ports if you want your server to show up on the public. But as you see, it could work. If it doesn't show up, you can just type in the IP in public and then you could join. Alright, so that is how you host your server at MTA. It's very easy. We're gonna test it out now with my friend to see if it's working, right? So I'll be back. Alright guys, my friend is in the server, Raccoon Lover, and we're gonna join now. Alright, this is not LAN, guys, this is online. So we're gonna see now. Alright, you see Raccoon Lover is online, me and Raccoon Lover is playing. So So guys, there you go. And someone in my Discord server said you cannot host a free MTA MTA server, and prove them wrong. You can't actually host your own server. It just will take a little while to set up everything correctly, but for now, this is how you'll host your server, right? Next time I will do some like game modes and stuff and different stuff, but for now this is how you host your server. So just going to go to a car. I turn up the music because if you're turning on the music, it will be copyright strike. So yeah, guys. Rocking Lover is somewhere outside. Some building, he said. But as you see, me and my friend is playing on a public server. You understand? Even though your server don't show up on the public, you could just use the IP to join the server online. Alright, this is a free server here. You don't have to rent a server or buy a server. You could set it up much better than this, but this for now, this is the simplest way to set up your server and host online so your friend could join. Right? What is over? I don't know this video to be too long. Okay guys, I'll be able to stay too long with this video. Alright, but as you see, me and my friend is here, Raccoon Lover and Classic Games United, right? So this is the simplest way to host your MTA server. You don't have to buy or rent a server. You can host your server for free. You can customize your server for free. I'll just show you the simplest, easiest way for now. But next time in another video, once I get accustomed to all the settings, I will do another tutorial for you how to set up everything, right? But for now, this is how you set a server and host it with your friend, right?